Hello, welcome to my channel. Focus on skills. On the day of interview, all preparation over and you are eagerly waiting for the great day. Get plenty of rest the night before to ensure you are alert and focused. Even with thorough preparation, the experience of anticipating a job interview can make you feel both exciting and stressful. Mastering your emotions can help you stay calm. You can project yourself in the best light only when you are not nervous. Here you are, clean and fresh, wearing pleasant colored iron clothes, looking very elegant. You are going to make a first good impression. Your interview outfit should make you feel comfortable, confident, and smart. Potential employers are usually impressed by people who are trim and good in shape. Start sufficiently early from home. Build in additional time to ensure you will not be late. Anticipate traffic, be on time. Avoid showing up late. If late, you feel tension, start sweating, and feel breathless. If early, you can make yourself at home with the environment and with other candidates. Look at the other candidates with a smile and introduce yourself and talk with them. This makes you feel comfortable. Sit with them in a relaxed way and compose your thoughts. Tell yourself that you will do your best. Keep your mobile in silent mode. When you are called for the interview, don't run or walk fast. Before entering, adjust your dress, keep cool, walk in slow but with steady step. Enter the room with a pleasing smile and confident look. Don't show nervousness. Keep yourself impressive. A smiling, relaxed face is always inviting. Have a positive attitude. While entering the room, ask them permission. Say, "May I come in, sir?" Then, walk gracefully with the same smiling face. After reaching the interviewers, don't occupy the chair immediately. Greet the members politely. Say good morning while shaking hands and sit only when the chair is offered to you. Don't drag the chair with noise. No limp handshake. Don't squeeze hand. Only firm handshake. Look into the person's eyes while shaking hands, which does not mean a stare down. Maintain good posture to convey confidence and professionalism. Sit up straight with your shoulders back and your feet firmly on the ground. No cross legs. Sit comfortably with arms spread, in a relaxed manner, in a natural, composed way and at ease. Avoid fidgeting or slouching, which conveys nervousness and lack of confidence. Be aware of what you are communicating through your posture and stance, and make sure it is good. Don't lean on the table. Don't sit leaning back in your chair or on the edge of the chair. No playing with hair or biting nails. Don't show the signs of uneasiness or a sense of diffidence. Don't be restless making nervous movements with your hands. Don't cross your arms or use body language that could make you seem closed off. Don't sit with such expressionless face when they ask a question. Look into their faces and try to answer. Use your body language effectively, which is very essential. Calm yourself down and enter your interview with a positive mindset and ready to ace it. Trust the hard work you have put in before to prepare. Your positivity might be infectious and help create a strong first impression. When the interview starts, listen carefully to the question and then respond to it. Understanding the question will help you answer exactly how the hiring manager wants. It should be brief and to the point. Maintain eye contact. If there are multiple interviewers, remember to look at all of them. Use the words from their question when you are formulating your answer. Relate your skills, objectives, and accomplishments to the needs of the company. Use proper gestures while answering. Avoid using filler words. Make your point and don't ramble. Watch the expression on the faces of the interviewers. Do not deviate from the question asked. Think logically, as your answers are always be rational and logical. Answer completely and concisely into all 3 sentences. Use clear and direct language. Be assertive and polite, but don't be aggressive. Do not interrupt while the interviewer is speaking. Never say, "I don't know the answer." Simply say, "Now, that is a great question. I'm afraid this may be the answer. Let me think for a minute." Even if the answer is not up to the mark, try your best to answer in simple words. Your attitude matters a lot. Be very positive even if it is wrong answer. From the answers you give, they judge your level of confidence and your integrity. While interacting, you have to speak what is relevant. Show enthusiasm and passion for the position and the company. This demonstrates your commitment and can make a positive impression on the interviewer. You should not get into any serious argument over any controversial issue. You should assert your own viewpoint without being aggressive. Never point your finger. Sometimes they ask intricate questions just to confuse you. Don't look angrily at them. After the interview, take your leave in a proper manner. Say thank you and get out gracefully with the same smiling face. Don't show any disappointment on your face. If not selected in this interview, no issues, it's an experience. I will succeed next time. There is always room at the top. Reflects your positive attitude, which is a plus point. Interviewers also consciously or subconsciously pick up on how well you use other interview skills such as active listening, small talk, and empathy. These skills help you impress the interviewers and give them a sense of what it might be like to work with you as a colleague. One who is genuinely interested in hiring you will focus on each aspect. Even when you answer all questions, you may not be selected sometimes. How well you answer interview questions is not everything, though it is a lot. The impression you make on the interviewer often outweighs your actual credentials. Your poise, attitude, basic social skills, and ability to communicate are evaluated, along with your experience and education. They check your confidence levels and skills. Follow up after your interview. It is a post-interview courtesy to send a thank you note. This shows that you are interested in the position. If you receive a prompt personalized email response from the employer, it is an indicator that you are top of mind. Continue videos on interview skills.